Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Children, today we are going to continue the question and answer session from our lesson food. Okay, now the 31st question is choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. See, here you are having four statements. Okay, four statements here. So A, B, C and D. So from this, so for every statement we have to state whether it is true or false. Okay children, so let us start. A option is poultry products are those which we obtain from poultry animals such as hen, example egg and chicken. Okay children, so what are poultry products? So which are obtained from the poultry animals like hen. No, for example egg and chicken. Is this true? Yes, this is true. No, this is true. So we get egg and chicken from the poultry animals like hen, duck and all that. Now B is seafoods are those food items that we obtain from sea animals. For example, fish, shrimps, prawns, etc. So seafoods are what foods? So the food which we are going to get from the sea animals. No, which we get from the sea animals. Like what are they? Fish, shrimps, prawns and so many. So this is also true. No, this is also true children. Seafood is fish, prawns and all that. Okay. And the C, that is the third statement. Frozen fruits are those which are not immediately frozen after plucking. So we have learnt about frozen fruits. No children? So what are frozen fruits? So after plucking immediately, so we are going to freeze that particular fruits. Okay, so that is frozen fruits. But here what are they telling? That which are not immediately frozen after plucking. So this becomes a wrong statement. So that is why this is a false statement. Okay children? F. Now the last statement D. Dry fruits are those which are fresh fruits. No. Again this is false. Now what we have learnt? What are dry fruits? Dry fruits are fruits which are kept for drying, so that all the moisture in that is going to dried up and then we are going to store it for many days. No, that is dry fruits. So this is also false. So they are not fresh fruits. Okay, they are dry fruits. So TTFF, where do we get this? In the option A. So TTFF. So A is our answer. Clear children? Now 32nd question. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. Plants give us fruits and meat. So same like our earlier question, here also you have to state whether every statement is true or false. Okay. Plants give us fruits and meat. Is this correct children? No. Plant give us fruits and vegetables, even flowers, but not meat. No. Yes. B is rice is cooked by the process of boiling. Rice is cooked by the process of boiling. Even this is also correct. So by boiling we will cook the rice. Okay. And C is almost every part of a plant is eaten. Almost every part of the plant is eaten. So this is also true. Okay. So this is true. Okay now. And the food from the animals includes vegetables. Last one. The food from the animals includes vegetables. Is it true children? Do we get vegetables from the animals? No. No. We will not get vegetables. We will get meat. No, we will get meat and flesh and all that. Eggs. Okay. So this is a false statement. The last one. So what will be our answer? F, T, T, F. So where do you find this? In the C option. So that is why C is our correct answer. Clear children? Now 33rd question. Match the following and choose the correct option. So you have to match the list 1 items with the list 2. I mean, items are in list 2 and we have got countries or the places or the dishes which belong to that particular place. Okay, in the list 1. So we have to just match from which place we have got this particular food ingredient. English people. No, English like England and all that. So what they are going to eat more? So they eat more fish and chips. So 2. A is of 2. Okay. And Americans mostly they eat hamburger. That is pork burger. Okay. And Italians. So yesterday we learned that pizza is from Italy. So they use pizza more. Okay, they eat pizza more, Italians. Chinese. So it's very famous. No, gobi manchuri, veg manchuria, all the chicken manchuri. So Chinese are famous for Manchurian dishes. Okay, so it matches with the first list. I mean first option. So what will be the answer, children? A2, then B3, then C4 and D1. No, so B is our correct answer. Clear, children? Yes, now 34th question. Match the following and choose the correct option. Match the following and choose the correct option. Same as we have done for the earlier question. Here also we have to match list 1 with the list 2. Okay, so we have got some food ingredients in list 1 and you have to match with like what values they have. Okay, what nutrient values they have got. Okay, like butter. So list 1 is you have got butter now here. So butter has got what? It has got fat. Butter has got fat. Meat. Meat has got proteins. Milk. Milk has got calcium. Then wheat. Wheat is carbohydrate. No? So what will be the options now? A4, B3, C2 and D1. So D is our correct answer. Clear, children? Now 35th question. Several spices and herbs are also obtained from. Several spices and herbs are also obtained from. So where do we get these spices and herbs? No, like pepper, cinnamon, all that. No, where do you get all this? And herbs like mint, coriander or curry leaves, all this. So they are obtained from whether animals, insects, plants, none of the above. Answer is plants. No, we get plants from the, we get spices and herbs from the plants. Now children, 36th question. Consider the following statements and choose the correct option. So here you have got two statements, A and B. So we have to choose which is the correct option. Clear, children? And what is the first statement here? Domestic animals eat food that is clean and healthy. Domestic animals eat food that is clean and healthy. Okay, so domestic animals like, so what are all the animals we are going to adopt at our houses? No, they live along with us, like our pet animals like maybe dog, cat, cow, all that. Okay, so all are which are going to live with us and which are adapted by us, they are domestic animals. And wild animals that live in jungles eat just about anything from flesh of other animals to wild fruits and vegetables. No, so and wild animals they eat what? So as they live in jungle, so whatever they get, mostly the flesh of the other animals, and sometimes if any wild fruits and vegetables are available, they eat that. So this is about the state. Is this true, children? Yes, this is true. Okay, so this is true, and this statement A is also true, because we are going to adapt the domestic animals, so we will give them a clean and healthy food. No, so because both the A and B statements are correct. Where is this option? Both the statements are correct. C option. Just a minute. Yes, C option. Okay, so this is the correct one. Clear, children? Now, see here. There are few vegetables shown in the picture. Looking at them, can you tell which vegetable of the following is actually a seed? See here, you have got 4 vegetables in the picture. What you got? You got a carrot, you got brinjal, peas, and also potato. So which is a seed? Which, even though it is a vegetable, it is a seed of the plant. No, which we are going to eat it. So what is that? Either carrot, tomato, peas or potato? Answer is peas. C option. No, see, like it is a seed. Clear, children? Now, 38th question. Vessels are made of different metals. Most commonly used metal for making vessels and containers for cooking are iron, dash, aluminium, etc. Okay, so as we learnt, vessels are made of different metals. No, and most commonly used metal for making vessels, and containers. So what are they? Iron, dash and aluminium. So what is missing? Either steel, paper, water or none of these. And the option is A, steel. No, we use most steel vessels also for cooking along with iron and aluminium. Clear, children? Now, 39th question. Guess the food item. What is cold, creamy and sweet treat? So this is a very favorite food item for everybody. No, every one of us. Which is cold, creamy and sweet treat? Either it is cheese, butter, bread or ice cream. Guess what would it be, children? Yes, ice cream. No, everyone of us love to eat ice cream with whatever may be the season. No? Yes, now. 40th question. Guess the food item. A food made from milk. See here you have got 4 options, children. So we have to guess which item is made from milk. Either it is cheese, chips, hamburger or meat. And the answer is cheese. No, cheese is made from milk. Whereas chips from potato, hamburger is from again pork, meat is again from the animals. No, this is the answer A. 41st question. If a food is cooked on the outside, it will also be cooked on the inside. See here you have to say whether which statement is true and which one is false. Okay. So and the first statement is, if a food is cooked on the outside, it will also be cooked on the inside. No, if we can cook the food outside, we can also cook it inside. Is it true? Yes, obviously this is true. No. And B is, you must wash poultry and chicken pieces before cooking them. Yes, this is also absolutely correct. You must wash poultry and chicken pieces before cooking them. No, so before we cook chicken and eggs and all that, so we have to wash them. No, so both the statements are true. So both A and B are true. C option is the correct answer. Clear, children? Now 42nd question. Match the plant with its part that is eaten. See here you have got some vegetables in the list 1 and list 2 is the parts of that particular plant which we eat as the vegetable. Okay, so you have to match it now. Now let us start. The first one is lettuce. Lettuce is what? Lettuce is nothing but the leaves. It is just like the cabbage. Okay, lettuce, we are going to eat the leaves. Now carrot. So carrot is nothing but root. Okay, cherries. So again, what are cherries, children? Fruit, peas, seed. Okay, so this is the answer, like A3, B4, C1 and D2. Okay, clear? Now B is the answer. 43rd question, children. Food should be eaten dash. Food should be eaten dash. So how must be the food eaten? Either quickly, slowly, very fast, or none of these. How do you eat the food, children? Will you just eat it in gulps? No, that is bad. No, you have to chew it, eat it very slow. No, it's not very slowly, slowly. You have to chew it and you have to eat the food slowly. Okay, then B is our answer. So you must not eat it quickly, or you cannot go with the very fast eating. So you have to eat the food slowly so that it can be digested well in the stomach. Clear, children? Now 44th question. Which one of the following consists of plants with edible underground stems? See here, you have got some names of some plants, children. Okay, which of the following? Some plants here, they have got edible underground stems. In the sense, edibles in the sense which can be eaten, which one take them in our food. Okay, which can be eaten. And how they are underground stems. So what plants are they? So that we have to identify. Okay, then let us start. A is ginger, garlic, potato and onion. B is turnip, tapioca, radish and ginseng. C is carrot, sweet potato, watermelon and ginger. D is water chestnut, peanut, walnut and hazelnut. And our answer is A, children. Ginger, garlic, potato and onion. So these are all 4 vegetables are nothing but underground stems. No, underground stems. So we'll eat them in our daily life. This is the answer. A option is the correct one. Okay. We get food from, 45th question. We get food from. Where do we get food from? Animals only, plants only, plants and animals and none of these. What is the answer? Yes, C. Plants and animals, both. Okay. 46th question. Which of these statements is not true? Which of these statements is not true? So while reading the question, children, you have to concentrate so carefully, so that sometimes if you don't read the question properly, you will understand it in the other way. See here, which of the statement is not true? Sometimes you will mistake it as which is true. No, then your answer will be wrong. So you have to read the question properly. And the options are: food from animals is non-vegetarian food. This is true. No, food from animals is non-vegetarian food. That is true. Dairy and poultry yield animal products. Dairy and poultry yields yield animal products. In the sense, they are going to deal with the animal products. That is also true. All animals are eatable. Can we eat all the animals? No, this is wrong. It is not true. Okay. Cheese is an animal product. This is also true. Why? Because milk, cheese is made by the milk. No, we get cheese from the milk. And milk again is from the cow. So this is correct, animal product. So what is our answer? C. C statement is not true. Clear, children? Yes, now. 47th question. Which of these is not true for animals? So which of these is not true for animals? For animals. We are talking about animals, and which is not true for animals, that we have to identify here. A is dog is a domestic animal. Dog is a domestic animal. So this is true. Domestic and wild animals eat the same food. No, children, this is wrong. So domestic animals and wild animals, they eat different food. No, so this is wrong. Wild animals live in forests and jungles. True. Wild animals eat all kind of food including flesh. This is also true. Okay, so thing is, which is wrong is B statement. Domestic and wild animals eat the same food. Okay, now 48th question. Aman and Shyam were having lunch together. Aman said that he wanted to have burger, but his mom gave him chapati. Shyam explained him the benefits of eating healthy food. What values did Shyam demonstrate? See, children, Aman and Shyam both are brothers. So they were having lunch. So what Aman said? He want to eat burger. No. So where his mother prepared a chapati. But he don't want to eat chapati. He want to eat burger. So then what did Shyam do? Shyam explained Aman that why we should eat chapati and not burger. No. So why we should eat healthy food? Chapati again, because it is wheat, it is a healthy food. No, he explained him about chapati, eating healthy food. And what values did Shyam demonstrate? So here, what values, what good values did Shyam explain? Demonstrating is nothing but explaining here. So, and the options are depth of knowledge. Depth of knowledge, did he give him a very detailed knowledge? Or ability to explain the concept in a simple language? No. So, where did he explain the concept in a very simple language? Sensitivity and concern for others. Sensitivity and concern for others. So, because he cared for Aman and his concern, no. So, suppose if Shyam was quiet, he would not explained Aman about healthy food. So, Aman would not have eaten either chapati or burger. No. But what did Shyam do? He explained him that no, you should not do like that. You have to eat chapati. Why? Because this is healthy and all that. No, he made Aman to eat chapati by explaining the healthy values. No, healthy values of the food. So, this is the quality of sensitivity and concerned. No, suppose if you also, sometimes you also, you will be stubborn. You say, I don't want that, I don't want this, I don't want to eat. Will mother and father and your brother or sister leave you? Okay, saying that no need to eat food and all that. Will they be quiet? No, they will explain you and they'll make you to eat you. No, why? Because they care you, they care for you. No, they are concerned for you. So that is why C option is correct. Sensitivity and concern for others. So this is the value that Shyam demonstrate, in the sense he just explained. Okay, clear? Now all the above again is a wrong option. Clear, children? Now yes, so actually demonstrating, in the sense it's not explaining, like what did he do, what values did Shyam try to explain. Okay, clear, children? Now which of these is an animal product, whether egg, corn, pineapple or mango? So here you have got 4 food items in which One is an animal product. So what is it? Egg, obviously egg, no, which we get from the hen. So A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. Clear, children? Now 50th question. So here it starts from level 2 questions here. So which part of the given figure are you supposed to consume? Which part of the given figure? What is this? What is this? This is radish. No. So which part we are going to consume from this? Either root, leaf, stem or fruit. This is root, like carrot. No, like carrot we are going to consume this part, the white part. Okay, this is root. And radish, sometimes we can also eat the leaves also. No, there is nothing wrong. It is good for health. Okay, children? But normally we consume the root. No? Yes. 51st question. Which of the following fruits generally do not have seed? Which of the following fruits? Here you have banana, apple, mango and watermelon, which do not have seed from these four fruits. And the answer is, what is the answer? Yes, banana. Now if you see apple, mango, watermelon, they do have seeds, but not banana. So A is the correct answer. 52nd question, children. Which one of the following statements about the two fruits below is correct? Okay. So you have got two fruits here, apple and one pear. No. So this, what are the statements which are true about these two fruits? Okay. So both are hairy, both have one seed, both have smooth skin, both are of the same shape. No. So, and the answer is C option. So both have smooth skin. If you see, both have got smooth skin, children. So B, C is the correct answer. Okay. Now, of crops shown in the figure are called. Okay, children, here you have got a picture of crop. So what is it? So it is nothing but paddy. This is a crop of paddy where you get rice from this crop. Okay. And what is it actually? What we call such a group of crops? Okay, like vegetables, sugar yielding plants, cereals or fruits. And the answer is cereals. Okay, children, like paddy, wheat, maize and all that are nothing but cereals. Okay. Now 54th question. So you are seeing colorful animals here. So which one of the following has a different eating habit compared to the other? Compared to the other. See, you are having an elephant, a cow, dog and then a camel. Sorry, giraffe. This is giraffe. So which animal has got a different eating habit? No. So then the answer is D, giraffe, children. Why? Because so normally elephant, dog or cow, they'll just bite the food, in the sense they'll take the food and they'll just eat it, and after again when they feel hungry again they are going to eat it. But giraffe, most of the time it spends its time in eating the leaves only, in eating the leaves, because with its mouth structure it cannot bite large quantities of food at once. No. So it cannot pluck, it can just pluck or bite only one leaf or some at once. So most of the time this giraffe is going to just be eating the leaves only of the plants. Okay. So that is why D is the correct answer. Clear, children? Now select the incorrectly matched pair. Select the incorrectly matched pair. So which is incorrect, which is not going to match with the column 1. Okay, column 1. So column 1, actually you have got some food items, food ingredients. Okay, And column 2 you have got the nutrition values, okay, whether they are proteins, carbohydrates and all that. So we have to match. Beans, proteins, okay, beans is proteins, this is correct. Rice, carbohydrates, correct. Butter, fats, correct. Spices, vitamins, wrong. Okay, and what is our question? Incorrectly matched pair. So that is why D will be our answer. No, D is our answer. Because through spices we are not going to get vitamins. No, vitamins are from the fruits, vegetables, leafy vegetables and all that we get vitamins. Through spices we get fiber but not vitamins. So that is why D is the answer. Clear, children? Now 56th question. Which of the following is a plant product? Which of the following is a plant product? Okay. See what you are having here. You are having milk, egg, butter and jam. That is strawberry jam. So everybody's favorite, strawberry, no? So what will be the answer then? Definitely D. No, it is a strawberry jam and strawberries are from the plant. It is plant product. So that is why D is the correct answer. Whereas milk, butter and egg are the animal products. That is poultry products. Clear, children? Poultry and dairy also, because milk is also there. 57th question. Select the correct statement from the following. Select the correct statement. So here you are having 4 statements. You have to select the correct statement. Okay, children? Fried food is good for health. Fried food is good for health. Is this correct? No, fried food is not good for health. Even though it tastes good, but it is not good for health. Fat protects us from diseases. No, this is also wrong. Fiber and some other food is going to protect us, but not fat. Okay. Water helps in digestion of food. Water helps in digestion of food. Is this correct? Yes, this is correct. Spices are obtained from animals. Again, this is also wrong. Spices like cloves, pepper, cinnamon, all that are obtained from plants. No, this is also wrong. So, C is our answer. Clear, children? Now, 58 question. The animal in the given figure belongs to which category? So the animal, what animal we are having? We are having horse here. So this horse belongs to which category? Either it is a herbivore, carnivore, omnivore or producer. Answer is herbivore because horse eats only plant food. Clear, children? Now 59th question. So here is just a riddle or a puzzle for you. I am a land plant. My leaves are used as vegetable and seeds are used to produce oil. So what is this? The above description is about which is a land plant and where its leaves are used as vegetable and seeds are used to produce oil, and it is also very good for health. So it is nothing but a mustard. Okay, mustard is the answer. Okay, whereas spinach, broccoli and cabbage, we use them as the vegetable, no, or green leaf vegetable, but we do not use them for oil. No, we don't make oil from them. So that is why mustard is the answer. Clear, children? Now, 60th question. Look at the classification table below. Okay, here you have got a table, children, where we are talking about some fruits, and some fruits are edible and some are inedible. Okay, and edible product is marked as P, inedible product is marked as Q. No, so here we have got some table. So now which table is incorrect? Is correct or P and Q is correctly represented by, okay, so where P and Q is correctly represented, that we have to mark it as the correct answer. Clear, children? Now see, P is tomato, edible. No, we'll eat it, tomato. Chili also we will eat it. No, this is also edible. But in Q, what must come? Inedible, which we cannot eat. Okay, that must come. So, this is wrongly, matched. So, this is not our answer. P is mimosa. D is dragon fruit. So, mimosa is like a pudina leaf, children. That also we will eat. Dragon fruit also we will eat. So, here again, Q is inedible. Q is what? Which we do not eat. No. So, this again is marked wrongly. P pineapple. Q rubber. Rubber. No, rubber like a razor product. Rubber. Can we eat that? No. So, it is inedible. So, this is correct. C option. So, whereas P is pineapple we will eat. Q rubber we do not eat. So, again here P apple we will eat. Q also coconut we will eat. Again this is wrongly matched. Clear, children? So, C is the correct answer. Now, the next question here. Which one of the following is able to prepare its own food? So, here you have got mushroom, you have got a green plant, you have got a light, you have got a cockroach. So, which is going to prepare its own food? Obviously, B, that is the green plants. So, they prepare their own food. Clear, children? Now, which of the following items are not prepared from wheat? Which of the following items? See, here you have got 4 food items, children. From that, one item is not prepared from wheat. Okay, what is that? Okay, it is roti, bread, biscuits or butter. And the answer is butter. No, butter is from milk. Whereas biscuits, rotis and bread is made of wheat. Clear? Now, 63rd question, children. Cow is the source of which of the following food items? Cow is the source of which of the following food items? So, here, so cow means what? Which is going to give us the milk. No, give us milk. So, here we have to identify like which of the following food items. We have got 4 items. No, which we are going to get from cow, that we have to just mark it. Either cream, curd, butter or honey. Cream, curd, butter or honey. So, we will get cream from milk, curd from milk, butter also from milk, but not honey. Honey will get from honeybees, no? So, 1, 2 and 3. So, C is the correct option. Clear, children? Yes, now. So, I hope we have completed the, questions here. So, hope you have understood the questions. So, by this you will be learning more about the subject by discussing the question and answers. Clear, children? Okay. Then eat healthy food, stay well and take care. We will be continuing in the next session. So, until then, goodbye, children. Please visit our website www.aimstoday.in for further classes like quizzes, live worksheets, DIY activities, English classes and coding. And thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.